In a world of zero trust, there are technological mechanisms by which you can store data in the cloud without that data being readable by people that have access to the raw data in that cloud. Let's talk about that. So let's talk specifically about the keys to your kingdom, your passwords, and how they should be stored so that only you have access to them and the people who are storing them for you do not have access to them. So this is your password. This is my password. I would like to get that encrypted. The way that you do that is use asymmetric encryption. You take that password, you encrypt it with the public key. The public key is given away everywhere. That gets you this garbledy-gook of text. This text does not in any way go back to this is my password with the public key. It's a one-directional transformation. That garbledy-gook, that encrypted text, can be sent anywhere, stored by anyone, and they cannot read what it means. So you can send it on the cloud. You can give it to vendor A, vendor B, anybody you want, pass it around, send it over any insecure network you want, and the data itself is protected because it is only the encrypted. To read what that says, you have to add to it the private key that you have stored on your computer. The private key and public key are related, and you can get the public key from the private key, but you cannot get the private key from the public key. This private key is yours only on your computer, never leaves your physical control. When you use that with that garbledy-gook, that gets you back to the original data, the unencrypted text, the plain text that this is my password. With this basic asymmetric encryption, you can store data with somebody that you don't trust and know that they can't see it. Whether you trust them or not, zero trust is the direction that all information storage is going to be secure. TechIDManager is built on this fundamental framework of asymmetric encryption and zero visibility storage so that you don't have to have trust in us to store your passwords. Check us out, TechIDManager.com. Have a great day.